Hello everyone, continuing our discussion on heterocyclic compounds. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions of five-membered heterocyclics, which are furan, pyrrole and thiophene. We already know the electrophilic substitution takes place at C2, at carbon 2 position. This is the sulfonation. In sulfonation, SO3H group is introduced at carbon 2. The compound name is pyrrole 2-sulfonic or furan or thiophene 2-sulfonic acid, whichever is the heterocyclic compound. This is nitration. We here write only 2-nitrofuran. As by in this way there is 2-nitropyrrole or 2-nitrothiophene. This is Friedel-Crafts acetylation or acylation reaction, and this is Gattermann formylation reaction in which CHO group is introduced at C2. If there is furan, then 2-formyl furan. If there is pyrrole, 2-formyl pyrrole. If there is thiophene, 2-formyl thiophene. Here we write only for one substituted product because of my convenience, because there is lesser space to write all the products, all the three products. So that's why we written only one product. It means we take only furan. Here is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This reaction also tells about the reactivity of five-membered heterocyclic compound. We already know pyrrole is more reactive than furan and furan is more reactive than thiophene. This reactivity trend is also explained by this reaction. We can see here pyrrole is in second. Pyrrole, for acetylation, pyrrole needs only acetic anhydride, no catalyst requirement. That's why pyrrole is more reactive than furan and thiophene. Thiophene needs stannous chloride, essential for as a catalyst, which is a Lewis acid. This Lewis acid is strong in comparison to BF3. That means furan is less reactive than furan. Furan needs boron trifluoride as a catalyst, which is lesser Lewis acid in compared to SnCl4. Therefore, the reactivity trend is towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Pyrrole is more reactive than furan. Furan is more reactive than thiophene. The explanation behind this is pyrrole required no catalyst, furan required strong catalyst, and thiophene required strong catalyst, and furan required less strong catalyst in compared to thiophene. This is acidic basic character of pyrrole. Pyrrole behaves both acidic as well as weak base. Pyrrole behaves like both. Pyrrole have a acidic character as well as base character. This reaction shows its acidic character. When pyrrole reacts with base, strong base KOH, it forms pyrrole anion. When it reacts with Grignard reagent, ethyl magnesium bromide, it forms pyrrole magnesium bromide. These two reactions show pyrrole acidic character. The region. When the lone pair delocalization of nitrogen atom with the pi electrons. This is the resonating structure of pyrrole. In pyrrole resonating structures, we see the nitrogen atom gets positive charge. Because of this positive charge, the electron of NH bond are nearer to nitrogen atom, which makes hydrogen atom removal as a proton. The first reason is this. Second, if the parallel anion is formed, it is also resonance stabilized. These two characters are responsible for the acidic character of pyrrole. Now, pyrrole not only shows acidic character but also a basic character. It is a weak base. When pyrrole react with HCl, this is acid-base reaction. If this is base, this is acid. It forms salt, pyrrole hydrochloride, which is non-aromatic because there are only 4 pi electrons. A 4 pi electrons is not a Huckel number. That's why it is not aromatic and unstable. And in the presence of oxygen, it polymerizes to brown resin. So that's why pyrrole is also a weak base. The reason for its low basicity or weak basicity, because this lone pair is involved in the formation of delocalized molecular orbital. That's why it is less available for donation or protonation. That's why it is a weak base. Now we come to our next topic, basic character of pyrrole. Furan. Furan is also a weak base. Why? Because oxygen has high electronegativity. That's why the tendency to donate lone pair is lesser in compared to nitrogen. However, it formed with HCl, furan hydrochloride, which is again unstable, and in the presence of H2O, it is converted to succinyldialdehyde or polymerized to brown resin.